Hi, I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, adventurer, entrepreneur, and amateur put things together. Here in my secret bunker, and behind me right there is my lovely, faithful guard dog and occasional cameraman slash gal, Cordelia. She's a lovely, lovely lady over there. Now you might notice she has a cone on. This is not to pick up signals far off, or to perhaps catch a football game, or a statement about her cosplaying of Handmaid's Tale. No, she's recovering from major surgery because she decided to eat, several socks and part of a Christmas tree while no one was around. Second time this year. So, in response to that, I've got her very own personal apartment / crate. I'm going to put it together here today. I've never put together a crate before, so this should be interesting. Probably going to do some edits of said tape. I don't think anyone wants to watch 25 minutes of me struggling to figure out instructions on this crate. Got it off Amazon. The link to it will be at the bottom of this video if you feel you need one for yourself. So, time to turn this microphone around, pull out a box cutter, and put this thing together. Well, obviously Cordelia decides to supervise. She vanishes during the middle of the set. She's decided to get up and move around, and I had to go set her down. With that said, you're probably saying, hey, Colt, I live in the Philadelphia area, and my dog ate a bunch of socks. Where'd you go to get surgery? Well, my friends at the Metropolitan Veterinarian Hospital, or Veterinary Associates, they did a great job taking care of her. It's not cheap to have surgery on an animal, but they did a very reasonable price. So if you need any veterinarian or surgery help, go to them. Also, the fine folks at the Berks, the Burnville Animal Hospital in Burnville did a great job taking care of her, and the folks at the Berks area emergency animal hospital and referral center, in 24 hours, they're also good too. Alright, so box is open. Let's see what we got here. This is 37.59 pounds. Doesn't feel like a pound over 36 pounds. Cordelia could help me here, but she's not. There we are. Okay. Box to the side. Whew. Got ourselves a crate and some instructions. Alright. Let's see here. Crate is down. Got a little hook here on the side. One side up. Another hook here. Oh, there we are. Like so. And then doesn't be very still like this, so let's this side comes up. Locks into place here, in here, and it has little things to lock in. So you probably want to make sure these are all locked in. So your dog's a bit of an escape artist. Get out, and then this side comes up. This is for you, because you can't be trusted. And yeah, that's pretty much all she wrote. Turn this around. think that's big enough for my lovely gal. It's got a side door here, and oh, there we are. Side door here. Got a door on the other side, and don't get down. Don't get down. All right, you want to check it out? All right, you can check it out. And well, I don't know what this is, so I'll have to look it up. You want to check it out? Don't get stuck in there. Oh, look at that. See, plenty of room for my gal to be in there. And you better get used to it, because that is where you're going. Nope, you're... Go back to the couch. Go back to the couch. Go back there. Alright, well... That is the Amazon Basics dog crate. It's for my gal right here when I'm not in my bunker. She'll be staying there. As you can see there, it's pretty portable. I mean, it's not light, but it does collapse down, slide into a trunk or a back seat if you need to go somewhere, relative's house to for the evening. It can be fairly easily transportable. And obviously, as you can see, even I can put it together, and I'm terrible at putting things together. So, check it out. Let me know what you think. A link to the exact model that I bought is in the description below. And I think for a large-sized dog, like a boxer here, it will take good care of them. Until next time, friends, I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, and I'll see you later.